Hello, good day everyone. So I'm pretty much so excited to share my first recipe in this first episode of my cooking show, which is Cooking with Rome. And by the way, this is me, Rome. So right now I'm going to prepare a very special dish. This is actually an all-time favorite Filipino appetizer. I'm from the Philippines, by the way, and we are so very proud of this dish. The dish is called Sisig, and Sisig is made of pork jowls, some chilies, and onions. So go ahead and prepare this, and let's go ahead and do this now. So this pork jowls is very cheap. I bought it in the supermarket, and I'm gonna use this. And then we have some chicken liver right here. So we need a pan. We need to put on some water. So we're gonna put some onion leeks in here. Just gonna add some peppercorns. The more the merrier. I'm not burning my fingers. So now that it's boiling, we will add the pork jowls. I have cleaned this thoroughly. So some decent amount of salt. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it. Wow, amazing. Let's go ahead and check if it's already tender. Alright, so I guess it's already done. I can poke it. And it's so soft. So I'll go ahead and put some chicken gizzard. How did I say it's gizzard? It's actually a liver. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it cook for I don't know, like for about a few minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes. We all just need to make it soft because it's really easy to cook. It cooks really fast, so we don't want to end with a mushy chicken liver. All we need to have is just this right tenderness in it. So you can see the liver already turns gray. So I think everything's ready and well cooked. We'll just go ahead and take this out of the pot. Alright, we'll just need to carefully put this on whatever plate you have or bowl. Alright, so all I need to do next is to cut a red onion. Oh my god. This will put me in tears, but I don't care. All we have to do is just to remove the, what do you call that, the roots. And then just, you know, peel this. Actually, I can just use my hands because, I don't know, I think it's much easier to do that thick or something. So anyway, I'll just need to chop this. And then just, we need to mince the onions because it will bring the flavor out of the dish. I'm not a fan of using like machines or blenders or processors. I just really wanted to do this the traditional way. If you happen to watch my documentary, I cooked a lot of Filipino food in there, and you're gonna see my mincing skills in there. I also have a mincing theme when I'm mincing onions or garlic or carrots, chili peppers. Cut it like this. Cut it into small pieces. My suggestion is to mince the chili as well. I think this is done. We're going to make this sauce, which is from the chicken liver. Okay, so now we're done with the chili and the onions. We'll go ahead and make some liver sauce. So I'll go ahead and pick the chicken liver that we've cooked earlier. This is the jowls and the chicken liver that we've cooked earlier, if you can remember. So we'll just go ahead and choose the mushy, the soft part of the liver, because I think the liver that I've bought at the store, it has the chicken heart as well, and we actually don't need that because it's kind of hard. You won't be able to mash it, and it will bring some chunks in the sauce, which we didn't like because we wanted to be rich and creamy. So I think I've already got everything. So I know this is the unusual way to do this, but I want to just use my hands to mash this. Alright, so just use your hands and yeah, just remove this heart. Alright, so I'm mashing everything using my hands. I don't have a food processor, so I think it works better this way. Okay, let's put on the pan and add some butter. And as you can see, we have now this put on the mashed liver. See how rich it is? Here's our sauce. We're gonna add some salt, cracked pepper right there. What do you call this? This is a fish sauce. See? Just gonna drizzle some. And I love the cheesy taste of the fish sauce. It actually builds this umami. Look at this. So good, so mushy and so creamy, so rich. You're gonna love it later when we put it on the actual dish. Alright, so let's get the pork jowls, and I'm gonna cut this in smaller pieces, and then we will need to mince it. I have another one here. So this is the most exciting part. We will fry the remaining chunks of pork jowls that I have. Yeah, I'm kind of scared right now, but yeah, it should fry, and we have to make it crispy and let the blister come out from the pork. See how crispy it is? If you'll be frying fatty pieces of pork, you have to be very careful with the splatter. So if you have an air fryer, it's a good investment, or you can just use a deep fryer. I think that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so the last thing that we need to do is to cut the crunchy pieces of pork. So okay, so we will have to arrange everything and then just put on our chopped meat, and then the crunchy part. Oh, it's so amazing, right? Our onions, chili pepper. Okay, so remember the sauce that we've made? Just need to put it, that very thick sauce. Yeah, just spray everything. Oh. Alright. And then just mix it like salad. Oh my god, so yummy. Alright, so now here's our pork sisig, and to make it more colorful and presentable, we just need to get some of it and put it in this plate. And just put some decent amount of it and we need to get all the chunky pieces of meat and the crunchy pieces of meat in order to make it very wonderful. And then we will top it with some onions again and some green chilies. And then I almost forgot, I have here the pork rinds, so we will top it with pork rinds like that. So our finishing is some drizzle of calamansi juice in here. Alright, so this is it. This is the moment of truth. So let's go ahead and have some taste test. Man, should remove the seeds. See? It's so nice. Right now, what I can say is this amazing dish is a melting pot of different cuisine evolution. The crunchiness, the boiled part, which is very soft and tender of the meat, and then also the tanginess of the calamansi and the savory and umami flavor of the patis, or the fish sauce rather. It really is flavorful when you eat it. It bursts a lot of flavors inside your mouth. You can just help it when you keep coming back for more. But overall, this is my version of sisig, and I think that's it for today. If you wanted to know the full recipes and the measurements, I have it posted on my Facebook page. You can actually check it on the link below, and also do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. And that's it for today. I hope I am going to see you soon on my next episode, and thank you all guys. See ya and have fun cooking this. Thank you.